Today we are going to see how we can make the raining effect on the ground. So we'll try to make it rain today. So to begin with, we can use a plain surface as a rain catcher, and then let's duplicate this. Shift D, GZ. Let's take the duplicate surface up here. So the idea is we can use this surface as a rain emitter, and the receiver surface will be down here where the raining effects will be created. So to begin the process, what we can do is let's go to the rain receiver, and then let's go to modifying properties. I'll cancel this one. I'll start a new procedure. So I'll go to generate and then subdivision surface. Okay, I'll use a simple geometry for this. Let's make the levels viewport to 6 and the render to 6. Alright, so the next phase is to select the emitter, and then we can modify the add a particle system to this surface here. Alright, now we have 1000 particles. Let's play it and let's see what happens. Okay, that's a lot of particles actually. So what we can do, let's bring this down, maybe 200. Okay, so the particle seems to be stopping at some point. Yeah, so it's stopping at endpoint 200. So let's bump this up to like say 600, and let's improve the time frame here also 600. They have to match like this. Okay, now let's play it again. Okay, now it appears to be a uniform rain effect throughout the timeline from 0 to 600. So this looks like reasonable rain simulation. Okay, we are just starting, we are not done yet. So what we can do after that is, let's see what other modifications we can do. Yeah, let's go to the rain catcher surface. We can add a physics simulation here. Let's use dynamic paint. So here what we can do is leave the type to canvas, and then let's add canvas in the settings, and here let's go to the surface type down here, and you can change this to waves, since the raining effect will create kind of wave on the ground when there is some liquid surface. And then go to the emitter surface. Let's add physics for these two. We can add a dynamic paint as well, and then go to type. We have to change this into brush. Okay, now we can add brush, and then go to the source, and we can use particle system here. The particle system we created earlier. Alright, now everything looks in place. Now we can play this and then see what the effect is. Alright, now it's improving. We are getting closer to the raining effect on the ground that we are looking for. It's already looking good, but we can improve this further. For instance, this surface looks a little bit rough, so let's shade smooth. Okay, now it's getting better. All right, we can do some tweaks and adjustments if you want. For instance, go to the catcher surface, this one, the rain catcher, go to the physics properties, and then we can vary the timeline, the time scale. Right now it's at 1. Let's try 0.3. Now it's kind of slower. If you want slower effect, what if I make it 2? It's getting faster. What about 3? It's even faster. So it will depend on the type of speed of the droplets that you want. For me, I think I will stick with 1. Yeah, this looks more natural for me. Right, what else can we change? You can go to the emitter section, go to the physics properties, and then you can go to the source and tweak some settings here also. For instance, the effect solid radius, you can change this if you want. It's 0.2 now. Let's go to 0.05. Okay, it's even slower, I think. It was 0.2. What happened 0.8? Oh, this is changing the size of the disturbance. So this doesn't look good. I'll go back to 0.2. Yeah, now this one looks good for my taste, but you can experiment with this and you can create your own version by tweaking this number. Alright, so I guess that's it for today. What else can we do? The emitter is this one, yeah. So the particle system, this is what we have done. You have the render properties here also. Yeah, so if you want, you can add some material properties. If you have some kind of, you can make this realistic water. For me, in my case, I don't have one for now, so I'll just stick with this. You can add some material properties online or from some material sites, and then you can have transparent view of this one, and then that will be it. So I can hide the emitter surface and you'll have only the raining effect like this. So this is all I have for today. I hope you like what you have seen today. If you like to get more tips on Blender, please make sure to like and subscribe the channel. I'll see you next time with another video. Thank you for watching today. Bye bye.